All right, dear. So now calculus again. This is where calculus begins. So before ngingena ku-concept, I want you to understand ukuthi i-calculus i-definition yakhona, it's a quantitative understanding of how things change. It doesn't only work with mathematics, but it also works with economics, the economy of the world, at the banks and everything. So like it deals with the analysis, anything that deals with analysis, climate, weather, anything that changes, it deals with calculus. So i-definition yakhona, it's a quantitative understanding of how things change. So sizoqala nge-differentiation ke. I-differentiation is a numerical approach to find slopes, meaning it's another way of using calculations to find slopes rather than using formula lawa esiwasebenzisa ku-analytical geometry. So i-differentiation, it's another way of calculating slopes. So sizosebenzisa i-differentiation using the first principle. So i-first principle ke yiyo esizoyisebenzisa to calculate those slopes. So siyifunda ngale ndlela ke i-first principle, it's f prime of x equals to a limit when h approaches 0, then it's f into x plus h minus f of x all over h. So le formula le yiyo i-formula esizoyisebenzisa. This is the first principle formula which we are going to use each and every time when you calculate slopes. So ku-question paper bazokutshela ukuthi use the first principle or kanjani, but once they say use the first principle, just know ukuthi this is the actual formula that you must use. Izohlala ikhona ke ku-formula sheet behind i-question paper, izohlala ikhona. Yeah, please excuse kancane le camera. Yeah. Okay, so mele uyazi. Yeah, mele uyazi le formula le. Mele uyazi ukuthi it's f prime of x equals to limit when h approaches 0, f of x f into x plus h minus f of x all over h. So le formula le siyibiza ukuthi i-derivative of f at x. So that's why masiyibiza sithi f prime of x, it means it's the derivative of f at x. That's what we mean. So a process of finding a derivative is called a differentiation. The process of finding a derivative is called a differentiation. So abantu abaningi, they misread this. So mass calculator lana, we are not deriving. Instead, we are differentiating in order to find the derivative. So ungathi siya derive, we are differentiating in order to find the derivative. So ngizokwenzela i-example ke lana bakunikeza u-f of x equals to 2x squared. So they say using the first principle calculate i-f prime of x. So into ozoyenza uzobhala i-formula njengoba injalo kuqala, which is f prime of x equals to limit when h approaches 0, then uzothi f into x plus h minus f of x all over h. So this is the formula ozohlale uyibhala. Then wehle nale formula, so lo limit when h approaches 0 mele uhlale uyibhala lento leyo. So ngizothi limit when h approaches 0, then la kuno f khona ngizofaka i-coefficient yaka x squared. So i-coefficient yaka x squared lana u2. So ngizofaka u2 la kuno f khona. Instead of writing u-f, I'm going to write u2. So ngizothi 2 into x plus h all squared. Why ngithi 2 into x plus h all squared? It's because mangiyifunda, I must read it in such a way ukuthi it's the original formula. Meaning njengoba i-original formula ku 2x squared, wena lo x plus h umthatha as your x. So masiyifunda sithi 2x squared. So that's what I mean mangithi u-x plus h simthatha as u-x, because the original formula ithi 2x squared. So la kuno x khona, instead of writing u-x asisabhalanga u-x, sesibhala loya x plus h loya. But masiyifunda mele ifundeke njenge-original. So mele ithi 2x squared. That's what I mean. Then uzothi minus, then la kuno f of x khona, so ufaka i-formula yaka f of x njengoba injalo. So i-formula yaka f of x njengoba injalo is 2x squared. So la kuno f of x sengizofaka nami u2x squared, then I divide by h. Yeah. then ngizoyehla nalo limit, ngizothi limit when h approaches u0, then ngisimplify further la, so ngino-squared lana, so ngizo-expanda le bracket leli, so ngizoba no-2 into x plus h again because besino-squared lapha, minus 2x squared divided by h. So ibhala ngale ndlela le. Then ngiyehle no-limit when h approaches u0, when h approaches u0, then ngiyosimplifya manje lapha, so lo 2 lo ngizomiyekela anjalo kwamanje, ngizombhala ngaphandle njengoba anjalo, then ngisimplify lama brackets lawa ayi2, so kuzoba u-x times x, ngizothola u-x squared, ngibe no-x times h, ngizoba no-xh, ngibe no-h times x, ngizoba no-xh again, then u-xh plus xh ngizothola u-2xh, ngizothola u-2xh, then ngithi h times h ngizothola u-h squared, ngizothola u-h squared, close my brackets, then minus loya 2x squared loya divided by u-h. Then again ngiyehle no-limit wami, so ulimit ngizokutshela ukuthi ustophe nini ukumsebenzisa, so ngizothi limit when h approaches u0, then ngizodistribute manje lo 2 kule bracket leli, so into engizoyenza ngizothi 2 times x squared ngizothola u2x squared, then ngithi 2 times 2xh ngizothola u-plus 4xh, then ngithi 2 times h squared ngizothola u-plus 2h squared, then ama-bracket awasekho ngithi minus 2x squared, which is this one, then I divide by h. Okay, I hope we are still together. Then ngiyehle again no limit wami, so ngizothi limit when h approaches u0, then ngicollect ama-like terms la. I hope uyabona ukuthi lo 2x squared lona uzominusana nalo 2x squared, then kusala u4xh plus 2h squared, so ngizoyibhala njalo, ngizothi 4xh plus 2h squared divided by h. Okay, ngiyehle no limit again, ngithi limit when h approaches u0, then into engizoyenza manje ngizokhipha i-common factor la phezulu, but i-common factor yami kumele ngiyikhiphe in such a way yokuthi I only take out u-h as a common factor. So lana I hope uyabona ukuthi kule term lengapha u-h ukhona, nakule ngapha i-term u-h ukhona. I know u2 uyangena ku4, u2 aphinda angene ku2, but asifuni leyo common factors. I-common factor esifunayo we just need u-h kuphela, so you always take out i-common factor yaka h. So ngizobeka u-h ngaphandle, so mangikhipha u-h lana ngizosala ngo-4x, because u4xh divided by h kuzosala u4x, kuzosala u4x, ngithi plus u2h squared, mangikhipha u-h oyi-1 ngizosala manje ngo-2h, ngizosala ngo-2h, then I divide by h. So ungakhohlwa mawukhipha i-common factor, you only take out u-h, you only take out u-h. Okay, then ngichubeke ngapha ke manje, so ngizoyehla no limit again, limit when h approaches u0, then masifika lana u-h no-h bazokhanselana. I hope uyakubona lokho ukuthi u-h no-h bazokhanselana, sizosala ngo-4x plus 2h, so ile ngizoyibhala la, ngithi 4x plus 2h. Then because ayisekho manje i-common factor siye sayikhipha, then wakhanselana ama-common factor, most of the time azohlala khanselana ama-common factor. So this is what you'll do ke manje, masowuqeda ukukhansela i-common factor of h, then wasala with whatever le osele ngayo, awusambhali manje u-limit when h approaches u0. It means la kuno h khona sengizofaka u0 because I must approach u0 when h approaches u0. So le arrow le, it means it approaches u0. So la kuno h khona mina sengizosubstitute yena lo 0 lo. So angisambhali ulimit manje, so sengizoba no 4x plus 2, la kuno h khona ngifaka u0, then my solution will be equals to 4x. So this is the derivative, this is the derivative of 2x squared.